Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, center armrest, 8 speakers, security alarm, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, technology group, Sirius Satellite Radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, convenience group, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.